Ooh, you guys. Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. But if you're new, guys, what we do here is we subscribe, we like, and we comment. Okay, so you can join the family. This right here is the Barbie Alokiss YouTube channel. And right here, we get straight to the point. Okay? Today we are going to talk about the 5 things that you need to quit and I need to quit. Everybody needs to quit these 5 things. And let's get to the reason as to why you're here to watch this video. Okay, the 5 things that you seriously need to quit. I need to quit too. I'm really working on quitting these things. It's a work in progress, but let me share with you guys. On this channel we grow together, so let me not talk too much. Let's get to it. You guys, we all need to quit living in the past. Oh, you know why? Because living in the past is really a problem, because it robs you of the opportunity to enjoy the present, okay, the now. So my suggestion is, instead of living in the past, blah 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 blah, try to make new memories, okay, and live in the present, in the now, because right now this is what is happening. That right there, gone. Okay, so you live in that today, in the present. Okay, what we can do with the past is just learn from them. Okay, most especially if you made a couple of mistakes, which we all have done. God knows, hey, so many mistakes, but we just learn from them, and so for it to make us better. Are we together? Let's get to the second thing to quit. Will be, we need to quit fearing change. Look, with change, good or bad, teaches us something new. That's just plain and simple. Whether it's a good change or a bad change, you're bound to learn something new. And also it prepares us for the future. Change will give you the experience and drive to push forward, okay? And it's going to encourage you to progress. So guys, listen to me. Let's quit the fear of change, because change is good for you and me. Let's get to the third thing to quit. Let's stop trying to please everyone. Being a people pleaser, thank God I have never been one. For me, if I like you, I like you. If I don't like you, you're bound to know I don't like you, because I don't do anything to please nobody, really. So do not be a people pleaser, because you know the thing with people pleasers, they always want to be so and so's friend. They want to make so and so happy, but the question is, what about you? What about your happiness? Shouldn't your happiness come first? When you're a people pleaser, this is when you will attract fake friends. You lack identity, okay? Because people pleasers are never really happy with themselves, or should I say pleased with themselves, because they never really get to be themselves. You're always trying to do something so that so and so is happy with you, so that so and so will like you. Like, yo, nah, get your own identity. People pleasers tend to have personal dissatisfaction, okay? They're unhappy with themselves. So please, my people that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not be a people pleaser, okay? Please don't be one of those. Quit it. If you are right now, quit, okay? Do not please nobody. How about them pleasing you instead? Huh? How about that? The fourth thing that we all need to quit. We overthinking. Overthinking. Listen, overthinking is a mental habit that can be broken. You can train your brain to look at life from a different perspective, okay? By replacing your thoughts. You know how sometimes you be catching yourself overthinking and it's maybe not even a good thing you're thinking about, so just try to replace it. Replace your thoughts. That's the only way I overcome my overthinking, because I till now sometimes I do overthink. I can get into it, I dig, then my mind will go beyond, but then I've learned to catch myself and start to replace my thoughts with happy thoughts. It has helped me, so try it, you guys. Overthinking is bad. Oh, what do Nigerians say? It's bad. Oh. The fifth thing, you guys, we all need to quit negative self-talk. Aren't we supposed to love ourselves? So why would you be talking to yourself in a negative way? Whether via thoughts or whatever, I know we all talk to ourselves. Sometimes you just be there and you're talking to yourself. You're like, yo, you baby. Yeah? So when you're talking to yourself, talk good things. Say, you baby, you're strong. Or whoever is watching, be like, I am strong. I am clever. I am consistent. I can do anything I want. Because if you talk to yourself negatively, you're going to drain your motivation. So look now what you're doing to yourself. God knows we all need to stay motivated. When you talk to yourself negatively, it will contribute to indecision. You will be indecisive. It's gonna be hard for you to decide what to do, where to go, what step to take. Trust me, you do not want to be an indecisive person, okay? Because that will be, you'll be slacking. It's gonna be taking you backwards. Yet we are supposed to be going forward. Forward. You guys get what I'm saying, okay? So let's practice positive affirmation. Tell yourself good things. Hype yourself. Be your own hype man or hype girl. You see how you be telling your friends, go girl, yes girl, you can do it girl. Okay, how about you tell yourself, go Alokiss, yes Barbie, you're doing this damn thing. You're intelligent. You're strong. Okay. So as you can see, I am very serious as I give you guys these points, because I want to hammer them in these your beautiful brains. Okay, I want us to prosper. I want you to prosper. As I prosper, we grow together on this channel. Okay, and one last thing, guys, do not be indecisive. These things of wanting to do something and then you're like, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next week, just because you're feeling lazy. Stop being lazy. Stop postponing. Stop, because you're delaying yourself, delaying your greatness. Okay, when you want to do something, get up, go do it, find a way to do it. Okay. So if you love this video, subscribe if you haven't. Tell a few of your friends about my YouTube channel. Bring them on here if you wish them well, because I know you guys have beautiful hearts. You're going to want other people to learn as well, because I'm going to be dropping educative points on here. So tell your friends to come and subscribe, like, and leave for me a comment if you have any other thing that, if there's something I didn't mention in this video, please, I love opinions. Leave down in the comments. And then, what is it I want to say? What is it I want to say? Yes, go watch my other videos. I have other videos, okay? Just subscribe, then go look down all my videos, check them out, because I don't want you guys to miss out on anything, on any of the greatness, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.